Here's adjusted. Today was all about, well, I paired my Senna, which was the other thing I couldn't do yesterday. I couldn't figure out how to do that, so that's done. Today's just going to be a really quick tour around the block again. Nothing crazy. Let's go for a ride. Anyways, I adjusted the camera. Hopefully you guys can see a little better today, so we're not staring a little bit down too far. We'll see how this goes. And around we go. I know you guys are like, what the world is this? I just really want to learn, like, every bike has its own kind of unique, I'm sure, little pattern of how it turns and rolls and what's really funny is I did my bike course on a little 125, and I find this easier to ride than I did the 125. I don't know if it's like the way I'm seated or the weight, because I can balance the weight, or like just it feels better than the 125 did. I forget, it was a Yamaha, but I forget exactly what it was. But I was nervous because I thought if this felt like that it would be a little harder to control, but this like is way different, like way different than that thing was as far as feel. This thing just feels nimble and light, and it wants to turn, it wants to go, it wants to ride. Alright, I feel fairly comfortable on this now. What's funny is my wrists don't hurt, and I know a lot of people talk about the seat position, but my wrists don't hurt. If anything, my hand hurts just from holding on. That's just being new and not knowing how hard to grip things and whatnot, but alright, let's go for a ride. That's my fault. I meant to shift but then let off the gas. I drove a standard car, an Eagle Talon. That's actually where my name originally came from. For quite some time when I was about 20, early 20s. So the whole concept of clutches and shifting is not foreign to me, but it probably helps considerably. Whew. All right. That felt way better. Like, way better. The only... Oh. Let me turn this down. The only thing I noticed actually is with the visor up, I couldn't see as well. Like obviously, I mean the wind in the eyes, but the shifting felt better other than the one little grab. I got well over 90 on that one and felt fairly comfortable. I'm still a little nervous in the corner. Still a little nervous in the corner just because I'm not, 100% on the high speed stuff. But 90 felt okay going around that corner wall, and in the one corner, I don't know if you could have seen it, but on the sign it says it's a 90 corner anyway. And I felt comfortable. The nearest town, which if I keep going that way, is about another 25-ish minutes, 30 minutes. And one of these days I'll venture up there and take this whole highway. And go for a complete ride. But even today, second ride already feels way better. Shifting feels better. The bike feels better. I mean, the bike hasn't really been ridden in a year because the guy that I bought it from only rode it once last year, and it was only kind of around the block. So I mean, really, the bike's kind of been sitting for 2 years, really, year and a half. So. I mean, gotta let the bike get warmed up and get ready. Beautiful day, it's nice, it's sunny, but it's not cold, but not warm. It's just somewhere in the middle. There's still little bits of snow kicking around here. All right, let's turn some music on and let's go for a ride again. This time I'm putting the helmet down. I wish I could... How do I play the next song? That's what I want to know. There's some stuff on here that I don't want to listen to. Are these supposed to be... They are. Oh, I like that. Touchy pads. Listen to some country music. You guys won't hear it because I'm going to cut that part out. Anyways. We'll do a... Alright, I think we're going to call her a day. I can't believe it's mine. Well, there's my punk. I know, come here. Yes, I know. But, come on, let's go in the house.